Hello everyone, this is Sandy from Tattu Supply. Today I'm going to show you our new rotary machine, rotary machine. You can look that. It includes one machine, one grip, one clip cord, and the needle bar. Now I'm going to show you how to use the machine. So first, you need to connect it to the power and the fault switch. Before using the machine, you can adjust it first. Don't need to put the cartridge into grip. Then hold on fault switch. When it starts working, it means it can be used normal. Then you put the cartridge into the grip. Remember, tighten the cartridge. Hold on the fault switch. Listen, its sound is soft. If you have any interest in our products, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching Tattu Supply. Thank you.